Well, Congress party there seems to be questioning as far as the Prime Minister's speech that he made addressing the Indian community in Kuwait and claiming that this is hypocrisy and harmony pitch that has been given. The attack that is coming in from the Congress leader Digvijay Singh as he is now taking on the Prime Minister, saying that the Prime Minister continues to spew hate in India while he gives a brotherhood message in Kuwait and saying that why can't the Prime Minister give a Kuwait-like speech on brotherhood in India? Let's continue to get that update from Nyamika, who is joining us right now. This is a post by the senior leader Digvijay Singh, Nyamika, where he says that the Prime Minister doesn't give the Bharat Jodo message in India, but gives that to the Indian community in Kuwait.
Well, indeed, and in fact, the senior Congress leader Digvijay Singh has also called himself as the biggest critique of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. As for that reason, he has mentioned that on one side, Prime Minister is giving the speech of brotherhood in Kuwait, but on the other side, whenever it comes to our own country, whenever he addresses anything here in our country, then he only spreads venom all across the nation. As for that reason, he has mentioned about Savarkar, as well as he said that even he also used to believe that Hindutva is nothing about the Hindu community in particular or the Sanatan Dharma, which is being said by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as he said that it is very much needed that there should be peace and harmony which needs to be maintained in our country. And for that reason, he has also mentioned that whatever is being said by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Kuwait, that should also be said here in our country as well. As he said that this is basically the double standards which is being portrayed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as Mr. Digvijay Singh has mentioned that in our country he spreads venom all across the communities, all across the nation, and on the other side, whenever he goes abroad, whenever he tries to portray himself as the Vishwa Guru, he speaks about the brotherhood. So that is an attack which is being launched by the Congress party's senior leader, Mr. Digvijay Singh, upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi over his latest speech which he had given in Kuwait, as he has mentioned.
Well, the Kuwait address of the Prime Minister that is being questioned by the senior Congress party leader, where he has urged the Prime Minister to implement his words on unity in society in true letter and spirit. Thank you very much for the moment, Nyamika, for joining in.